Hello friends, welcome to the My Vlogs channel. Please subscribe to my channel and support me. Today I am here to come with my friend. We are uh, we are setting a dish at night time. See friends, the surroundings are very dark and I use my mobile phone touch light. We don't have any lights besides of us. It is a village. Very darkness is surrounded by us. My friend is setting a stand for a dish plate. See, there is no one can hear. It's like surrounding the forest. There is a goat's house. See, and there is no lights are there. Only there is a small bulb in a goat's house. Okay guys, he is almost set up the stand of the dish plate. Now he checking it is perfectly fully fit or not. Let's see what's happened. Signal. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, इस डिश का माउथ मतलब सिग्नल का माउथ लगा रहा है. देखिए यहाँ पर सेट करना है इसको एंड इसे स्क्रू डालकर टाइट से बांधना. Okay guys, he is making a dish stand. Let's see how he is making. Now the time is 7:20. The 7:20 p.m. See how much is darkness is surrounded by us. This side is very darkness. This side have so many forest lands, and this is a village. In the village there is a few houses, but this side is no houses. Agricultural lands are there. Okay guys, a dish plate stand is ready. See, now we are put the hole to slab with machine.
దాన్ని బిట్లేవన్నా పెద్దవి దేని దానికి ఫోన్ టచ్ పెట్టుకు ఒక చిన్న బొక్కలు గట్టి పుట్టద్దు.
Sorry guys, I am not able to show you full video of the setup dish because of my battery is low, and also it is very darkness. My touch light is my mobile touch light is not working, so I am not able to capture the our work. We are going to our home. Okay guys, if you like my video, please subscribe and support me. Almost we reached our home. This is the entrance of my city. Finally guys, I dropped my friend his shop. This is his shop, and now I'm going to go back my home. Please support and like me my videos. Okay guys, goodbye.